Students of political science, Pakistan studies, and other subjects, history. Assalamu alaikum from Irfan Rashid. I would like to elaborate some words on ongoing politics against real democracy in Pakistan. In view of present tweet and scrutinized research of Mr. Richard, of the advisor of the incoming president of America, Donald Trump, Mr. Richard, it was heard in media that a conspiracy was made in America to bring Mr. Shehbaz Sharif as Prime Minister of Pakistan without any real election, and to restrict PTI's founder, Mr. Imran Khan, from politics in future. It was also decided that after Shehbaz Sharif, PDM, after Shehbaz Sharif, his elder brother Nawaz Sharif will take over the charge of Prime Minister, and he will remain sixth or seventh time Prime Minister of Pakistan. As it is criticism to be heard and viewed in Pakistan politics that Mr. Nawaz Sharif is already performing as Prime Minister while sitting in Murray. He is holding all main issues of PMLN and government of Pakistan, and is advising, directing his brother Shehbaz Sharif and present government. Mr. Imran Khan is detained, arrested without any justification in Adiala jail, Rawalpindi. It was such that Mr. Bilawal Bhutto will come as Prime Minister of Pakistan after Nawaz Sharif, and Mr. Imran Khan will be advised or will be restricted to come into politics in Pakistan forever. It is against Pakistan's constitution as well as democracy all over the world that if a major popular leader of any political party is restricted in that country, how the democratic setup will run smoothly. It is profoundly judged and viewed that if any restriction, any obstacle is made in the way of any popular leader, the economic, geopolitical, social, and cultural environment of the country is worsened, as it is seen in many of the countries. As Nelson Mandela was arrested by the British government, or the leader, a popular leader of South Africa, he remained in jail for about 26 years, but nothing was got in their favor, in favor of British government, and allegations and criticism is written in history as well as was made against that government of England forever at every platform. So, dear students and viewers, we should know that the former commissioner of Rawalpindi, Mr. Liaquat Chattha, while protesting against any rigging in elections held on February 8, 2024, that he was unable to make any correct performance, and lastly he ignored to make any further rigging and protested that an inquiry must be made in this regard. He blamed Mr. Qazi Faiz Issa, the then former Chief Justice of Pakistan, that he was also involved in that rigging. But he refused that if he had any witness, any justification against him, he must show. But Mr. Liaquat Chattha and other other lobbies of criticism were of the point that if he was not against PTI, why he was sitting in assembly with any leader of any other party, and why the petitions put forth by Mr. Imran Khan in Supreme Court were set aside. Why? These all points show that Mr. Imran Khan is restricted intentionally by the present setup, which was brought into our country by rigging on Form 47 instead of 45. Mr. Imran Khan got over 180 seats in National Assembly without any symbol, the symbol of bat, which was snatched by Mr. Qazi Faiz Issa. Despite of that, some high courts had made a justification decision in favor of Mr. Imran Khan and his symbol of election bat. Why? Thank you.